Everyone, let us celebrate the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti by remembering Mahatma Gandhi. I, Angel Desai, heartily welcome you to celebrate this momentous day with me. On 2nd October, every year, India celebrates a national holiday in remembrance and honor of the birth of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi as Gandhi Jayanti. Globally, Gandhi's birthday is celebrated as the International Day of Violence. It is a day of celebration, it is a day to value a special person, the person who will forever be the hero of our nation, who taught the world the lesson of non-violence. May the spirit of truth and non-violence be with us. It is because of Bapu's freedom movements that we enjoy the happy moments today. As if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Satyagraha. It was the third major movement of Gandhiji inside India after Champaran Satyagraha and Ahmedabad mill strike. Gandhiji was the spiritual of Kheda Satyagraha and the was done by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Indual Yagnik, Shankar Bankar, Mahadev Desai, Narhari Parikh, Mohanlal Pandya, Ravi Shankar Vyas. The Kheda Satyagraha occurred in Gujarat and was centered on the peasant Patidar community of Kheda. The Bombay Presidency increased the taxes in 1917 to 1917 by 23%. In 1918, Gujarat as a whole suffered a severe epidemic of plague, and in Kheda alone, around 17,000 people lost their lives, for the cholera also broke. The breaking out of the revolt was the immediate reason of the revolt. However, this revolt was against the taxes. The region was still recovering from the after effects of the Champanya Akal of 1899 to 90 and other such famines, and the increase of taxes at a time when the farmers were already reeling under the grip of poverty was something which was not acceptable. Vallabhbhai Patel and his colleagues such as Nahari Parikh, Mahadev Desai, Vyas, Mohanlal Pandya organized this major tax revolt which was able to mobilize all these castes and creeds of the region. The peasants of Kheda signed a petition in leadership of Sardar Patel and called for tax to be abolished. The revolt was organized by Gujarat Sabha. The peasants of Kheda signed a petition calling for the tax for this year to be scrapped in wake of the famine. The government in Bombay rejected the charter. They warned that if the peasants did not pay, the lands and properties would be confiscated, means taken away, and many arrested. And once taken away, they would not be returned even if most completed. None of the villages flinched. The tax withheld, the government is collectors and inspectors sent in thugs to seize property and cattle, while the police forfeited the lands and all property. The farmers did not resist arrest nor to the force employed with violence. Instead, they used their cash and valuables to donate to Gujarat Sabha. Revolt was outstanding in terms of discipline and unity, even when all their personal property, land, and livelihood were seized. A vast majority of Kheda's farmers remained firmly united in the support of Patel. The government finally sought to foster an honorable agreement for both parties. The tax for the year in question and the next would be suspended and the increase in rate reduced, while all confiscated property would be returned. However, the richer patidars would pay taxes, but the poor would expend. People also worked in choosing to them. So, the British had officially said it would stand by the buyer. This Kheda Satyagraha is also important from the viewpoint that after 2 years in 1921 in Madhu gave up his normal attire and started wearing just a loin cloth and a shawl. It was during this Kheda Satyagraha that Gandhiji removed the turban and became bareheaded. It was a milestone from being Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to become a Mahatma. Gandhiji breathed his last breath on 30th January 1948 when he was associated by Nautam Godse. He rests today at Rajghat in New Delhi, and thousands of respect are paid in the forms of garland and singing his favorite song Raghupati Raghav Rajaram. On this day, let us pledge ourselves to follow the path of legacy he left behind and led our lives in peace and harmony. Thank you.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के।